morning, ma. Why are you coming to work by this time?
Sir, I was having running stomach, so I overslept, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
You overslept. Did you not see my missed calls? Did you not see my missed calls?
Sir, I saw it when I woke up. I overslept, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Go to the kitchen and help them.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good job, guys. Very, very impressive.
Thank you, sir.
We did well today. I'm impressed. However, I need a favor. We have to come out very early tomorrow morning because we have a lot to do.
Alright, sir.
Any questions? Any observations?
Not at all, sir.
Sophie?
No, sir.
Jennifer? Tina?
Not at all.
Not at all? Okay. That reminds me, Tina,
Sir?
you join me to the market tomorrow. We need to restock the kitchen. So I'll call you first thing in the morning.
Okay, sir.
Alright? Okay.
Right.
Alright, so rest well. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
It's okay, sir.
Alright, good night.
Good night, sir.
Alright.
It's okay. It's okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He said he's going to call me like.
You're so happy.
I want to faint. I want to faint.
Tina! What? Did I call your name? Jealousy.
Take am easy, abeg. Then talk say they go carry you go market because now your skin fits sun.
Now Proko you just be. Busybody. Abeg, you hear when Oga talk say? He go carry me go market. Oh boy, that son I no mind. No be your son, na my son. So long say the son no go burn Oga skin. He no go burn my own. I won't faint. Jealousy.
I want to go out.
You hear when Oga say?
I hear him. Loud
sure?
and clear. I don't say go sleep this night.
I'm gonna go for that small.
My wife is the best cook in the world.
See this beautiful man here? She's the best cook in the world.
Tell them, babe.
Don't even go there.
Okay.
Wife. You parent directly telling me to go and get married, Daddy. Right, this is my wife is
Due for marriage.
I never reach for you.
Then leave me now chop my chicken.
Well, guys, I made this food specially for all of you. So enjoy.
This food is more than special. I'm feeling the yummy so much in my stomach.
Thank you.
In fact, baby, you're a fantastic cook. I swear.
Go on, baby, now don't stop now. Tell them.
Well, I must confess, this is delicious.
You see?
Really delicious.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Stop. You enjoy the meal.
Meal is very tasty. I love it.
You're a fantastic cook. I swear.
Her food is nice, right?
Oh my God. Delicious, yummy, and tasty.
And you wanted to lick and swallow the plate.
Makachuku. You see, Murray, if I had the opportunity of demanding for more plates, like even 5, I would have done that. You don't know how to cook, you know it. Didn't you enjoy that food? Sweet and tasty. You see, I only defended you because George was around.
Oh, please. Enough.
Okay. Well, he said it's enough. That means you only. You see, I had to do what I did to save your image, you know, so that it doesn't look like I'm not supporting my wife. But let me tell you, the truth is bitter. The truth is bitter. Chew it. go learn how to cook from Florence.
I will not even date.
That means you're encouraging me to be going there to eat.
Really?
I swear to God. Iba kangana touches if you don't learn. That's how you got to cheer. Go and learn how to cook. You know I love you. Eh? Go and learn. Yes, I go. Yes, I go. I'm telling you the truth, and you know it.
My love,
Yes, baby.
you are the best. You are the most beautiful, the most gorgeous. You are the most wonderful thing that has ever crossed my path.
Oh, baby. Are you serious? Your words are just melting my heart.
See, you needed to, you know when my friends were eating, I was giving accolades. You needed to see how my head was swelling, like I was feeling like I was on top of the world.
You don't mean it.
I'm telling you, I really do appreciate you.
Thank you.
And for this thing that you have done, I'm going to send 2 million into your account. And I don't care what you do with it.
Babe!
I'm telling you.
Are you serious? I love you.
I love you too. See, you deserve the best, the very best.
Babe, I love you. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Are you serious?
Come here.
Babe, you're sending me 2 million.
See, you are my everything. You are my most priceless possession. I love you.
I love you too. I love you.
More to come.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Babe, are you serious? Are you serious? I can't believe this.
Because I'm serious, baby.
I love you so much.
Come in.
Good evening, Mr. Frank.
Good evening. What are you doing here? You should be at the lodge with the other girls.
Yes, but they've locked our gates. I tried calling the other girls severally, but none of them were taking their calls.
Oh. In that case, we should start closing early so that you can go home on time.
Oh, no, Mr. Frank. I don't have a problem with the closing time. It's just that I'm wondering if I can pass the night in your place, Mr. Frank.
Sure. I have an extra room. Yeah, you can actually.
Thank you, Mr. Frank.
Right, that's fine. I'll just show you to the room.
Mr. Frank, please, I would also like to take my bath, but I don't have my toiletries here. You know I'm a woman. I can't just go to bed without taking my bath.
Oh, that's fine. I should have an extra towel and toothbrush.
Thank you, Mr.
Let's check out. I'm sure you'll be fine. Let's go.
Hello, haters. I told you. I told you, haters. Guess what? I am in my man's house. Oh my world. Can you see this? Can you see? Do you recognize this t-shirt? And this shorts? And this background? Look at it. Sure you do. I'm in my mom's house. Anyway, guess what? We just had a very hot sex. And I just thought to, come here to let you see and know my status right now. Now when you're dogu. I just had to put my baby to bed so I can rest. He's really exhausted. It was out of this world. I gave it to him. for him. And he got so tired, so I put him to sleep. And I decided to take this wine and get a little bit more tipsy. Ginger, get to be in the mood. And then I would go wake him up for another hot round. Let me relax on my man's couch. Oh, baby of the house. We are Dogu. It's my couch. I'm putting on baby's t-shirt. Guys, you see the ass? I wiggled it for him. Bye! Bye, guys! Nonsense. It's going to be hot in Frank's kitchen. Frank's kitchen! You guys are just seeing a little of what I have to offer. Sophie, see, wake up! Wake up! Sophie, the matter of life and death, so come and see. Come and see. I tell you, this girl will come back to this place tonight. She went to that Frank's house to pass the night. She's even putting on his t-shirt. Hey! Sophie, then go this. You see her? You see this girl? You see? She's aware that I'm crushing on Oga Frank. Yet she went to pass the night in his house. Look at this polo on her body.
Babe, calm down, please.
I cannot calm down. I cannot calm down. Look at her crow body. She said that her crow body to wear his t-shirt. Oh God, oh God, oh God. I will kill this telephone.
What's your problem? Calm down. I don't even believe this and I think it's a stunt.
Stunt? Babe, now you get problem now. Are you not seeing Oga Frank's t-shirt on her body? Look at it now. Look at it. I'm sure they even had sex. I'm sure. Look at how she's doing it.
Please, can you just calm down? I don't think Oga Frank will stoop this low. Just calm down.
Oga Frank no be person.
She's just doing this to get you angry.
Who said? Sophie. Oga Frank na human being. He has red and white blood cells in his body. You understand? You don't understand that?
Just calm down.
You see this man, eh? His antenna still dey stand. So anyhow, eh? But they no be firewood. You go like this girl. I'm sure.
Babe, calm down. Don't give yourself heart attack. I trust Oga Frank. He won't even enter her. If she like, make she wear a suit. Wear an apron, join. Just take it easy. Calm down.
That heart attack don't come. It don't come. Touch my heart. It a beat. Sophie, I won't faint.
You won't faint?
I won't faint.
You want to faint? Leave me to sleep.
You cannot want faint. I won't die.
Babe, if you want die, die. Just let me sleep, please.
You cannot stop me. I said I won't die. You say make I die.
Babe, die in peace now.
I won't die. I won't die.
Sleep now. What's this?
I won't die. Wake me up if I die.
Yeah, okay. I've written that I should pour in the vegetable oil first, right? Okay, so the next. Really, I should allow it for like 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I'm with you. Okay. Okay, I should add in the chopped pepper. Sorry?
Oh, okay, the chopped onions, alright. Just hold on. Chopped onions. What's the next thing? That's after the onions, right? Okay, the thyme, the green peas. Okay, green peas, thyme. All right, I'll stir together. Yeah, I'm noting everything down. I'm noting it down. Stir everything together. You said she allowed to simmer for how long? Okay. Okay, that's good. So, yeah, okay. After this, I'm going to add the blended fresh tomatoes and pepper. Blended tomatoes and pepper. All right. Pepper. Stir and I'm with you. Yeah, I can hear you. Stir and allow to simmer for 5. Is it 5 minutes? Oh, okay. 30 minutes. Wow. 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 I know this is definitely going to come out well. Yes! Like, I can't wait. You know what? I think it will be better I call you when I'm in the kitchen. What do you think? Yeah, I know I'm going to try this first step. Then I'll call you back. Okay. Is that okay by you? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, of course I know I will try the first procedures before calling you back. Alright, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I just want to write this one down before I forget. Yeah. Thank you so much. So I'll get back to you as soon as I get into the kitchen, okay? Thank you. Wow. I hope you will like my food.
Is this what you have been feeding my son with? Oh, are you kidding me?
But, Ma. But...
Talk! The worst thing that can happen to a woman is not having a child and being bad in the kitchen. Shame!
Mama, I am 2 weeks pregnant.
Eh? Are you serious?
I don't want to talk about it.
Come. Are you even proud of being a woman? Oh! Jehovah, come and answer me. Eh? Are you? Oh. You are not. Look at her long nails. Eh? She can't even wash her bum very well. Okay, how can she even cook a normal food? I know you are pregnant, but cooking is also very important. Come and carry your food, though.
No! No, answer me
wants me to cover up for you? For real? As what? The best wife? Or the best cook?
That is so unfair, Michael.
Maureen, who asked you to enter the kitchen? Now tell me, who asked you to enter the kitchen when you know your food is as good as you already know? Who did?
Young girl, what were you doing when other girls were busy learning how to cook? Eh? What were you doing?
Mama, with due respect, this is my privacy. You do not have any right to barge into this bedroom without my consent.
Just shut up. Shut up!
Mama.
If you mama me again, I will show you that I've been having a bitter mind for you. Just look at what you married as a wife. Cook, oh! She doesn't know how to cook. If not because she is pregnant, I would have said a lot. Young girl, you better go and learn how to cook. Go and learn how to cook, woman.
Maureen, you told Mama you were pregnant?
Don't even ask me that. Don't even ask me that.
Chef, I have told you to lower your ego and meet Florence so you'll learn how to cook.
I will not. I will not meet her.
In 4 weeks, my friends will be coming to eat your food. Then I will know how you go about it.
You know we are expecting a baby, right? I cannot cook for your friends.
Maureen, go and learn how to cook. Go and learn how to cook so you don't give the child junk. I should be the only one eating the junk and not your child. Nonsense.
Learn from Florence. Is she a chef? I will not meet her. I am not going to learn anything from her. What's all this?
Ashawo, kobo. Come, where did you sleep last night? I say I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. You think you can pepper me, Abby, with those videos? Hey, Jennifer, you cannot. Stop forcing it and stop faking it. Look at her.
Did anyone just talk? Because it's just like an empty drone making lousy noise.
I go watch you now, they're crazy. Enough! They're mad. Now should they call
Enough, girls, enough! Come now, who is holding you? May I be that they owe you?
Nobody they owe you. Are they here? Come. Sophie, come. I know they like this kind of thing. If person hold me, I know they like him. Shift. Now back and they like the worst person slap. If I was you slap, you know.
Stop!
Never fight. Shut up.
Never fight first. Never. Oh, I said no now, never fight first. Stop!
I want to stop.
I said stop, never fight first. Stop! Jennifer, what is even your problem? What is the color of your problem?
Purple.
You know well that Tina likes our boss. Why are you coming in the middle?
Ask her. He is mine. She should leave him. He is mine. Alright, he is mine. He is mine. He cannot be yours. He is mine. I saw like you. He is mine.
Hey! What is it? Have you gone crazy? No, have you guys gone mad? You have turned my business premises into a marketplace. Tina!
Sir?
Tina!
Handsome.
Jennifer!
Baby. Sorry, sir.
Listen. Be careful. All of you! And what's this pet names you're calling me? Do I look like a dog to you? You're calling me handsome, you're calling me baby. Am I your baby?
You're very handsome. Go and look at the mirror.
My friend, will you shut up?
Shut up. Is it shut up? Okay, you should ask her where she got that babe from. I don't know where she got the babe from. Is she your baby?
Did you hear him tell me shut up? There's a reason for it.
He said you should shut up.
Now listen and listen good. You guys are mad.
Exactly, sir.
Shut up! Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
Do you know you're mad?
Yes, sir. Very mad.
You're not only mad, you're possessed with a demon. Do you know that?
Yes, sir. I know that.
I'm mad over you, boy.
Shebi don't say.
Shut up! Shut up! I won't entertain any stupidity around my business premises. Have I made myself clear? No, seriously. Have I made myself clear? Now get out! Everyone get out! Hey! Sophia!
So best no fit drink water. Drop cup in peace, yo. I be waiting be the matter. Oi, I be make we run no. Jay, everybody want to hug. Everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why.
How are you?
Fine, ma.
Please, where's your boss?
Let me call him for you, ma.
Thank you very much.
No one wanna be the loser. That's why them they shoot their shot. I see them girls, no wonder them they show up. They want to be noticed, oh. See them girls, no wonder them they show. So best no fit drink water. Drop cup in peace, yo. I be waiting be the matter. Boy, I be make we run no. Jay, everybody.
Hello, Mom.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
How is business?
Business is doing great. How are you?
I'm good.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Please, I need a pack of jollof rice with enough chicken.
Jollof rice and chicken.
Yes, please do it takeaway. 2 packs.
That's fine.
Yeah.
I'll tell the girls to get it ready.
All right.
All right. That's all you need?
Just put more chicken in there, as much as you can.
A lot of chicken?
Yes.
All right, I'll do that.
Thank you.
I be waiting be the matter. Boy, I be make we run no. Jay, everybody want to hug. Everybody want to come closer.
Tessie mama. Let the tea. I cannot wait to see this guy you're tripping for. Seriously, I can't wait. So you cannot wait to grab him. Lady T. Man. Man, enjoy it. And please, I want all the gist. Lady T. Sorry, my dear. My friend called. How are you? Okay. I actually did sign those checks, so... Okay, you can return it. Return it. Let me... Yeah, return it. No problem. Okay, then. Thank you. I expect to see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
I called you for a serious matter.
Alright, Chief. So what could that be, sir?
I'll be in Abuja next weekend.
Alright, Chief.
I mean, next weekend.
Okay, Chief. Should I enter our campus or?
No, not the campus things now. I want you to go to Fran's kitchen and see what I like there. They call them Tina and Sophia.
Alright, Chief. I will do just as you want.
You see, they are sweet and edible, just like what they render to us out there. My boy, go and do your thing, as always. Okay?
Thank you, sir. I will do as you want, sir.
Jojo.
Chief.
You're too much.
Thank you, Chief.
I like you because you're smart.
Thank you, Chief. And I like you because I give the makeup they look like this. So without you, Chief, now.
Hey.
I want you to please talk to your wife for me. I want her to teach my wife how to cook. You know the burden I face in my house. I don't eat good food. I mean, they were friends, but I don't know what's going on. There is this sudden behavior that I don't understand.
Yeah, me too. You know, my wife has refused to tell me their issue. That they are fine and still friends, but I doubt. Well, I understand how you feel, Mike. But not to worry, just relax. Huh? I will talk to my wife and plead that she does something.
You know how to do that in front of judge. Of course, you know my wife doesn't know how to cook. But it will look somehow if I wash her dirty linen in the public. Please, help me talk to your wife. Please.
It's okay, Mike. I've heard you. But you just have to calm down. Alright? Everything is going to be fine. You know these things take process. I know very soon she will start feeling the need to buckle up. So just take it easy.
I was just thinking, what if this guy if they had known my wife doesn't know how to cook? You know, George is in bad mouth now. You know what you say. So please, just help me talk to her.
I sure will.
I'm counting on you.
I sure will.
Deal?
So what do I offer you? What do you want to do? Usual?
I am not going to lecture anyone on food. I am not a teacher. What is this?
Babe, I am only telling you to teach her how to put the necessary things together and make up a good meal. Please.
I am not going to teach her. Simple.
Baby, I am begging you. I am begging you to please teach your fellow woman how to cook. Why are you guys even fighting? Why? What's going on?
I don't understand. Okay, baby, who taught me how to cook? Tell me, who taught me? She should meet her mother. She is the daughter of a rich and famous politician in this town. I mean, Jake, they can always teach her how to cook. Why must I be the one to teach her? Please, I don't want to teach anybody, and I'm not going to do it. Period.
Baby, now, come. Baby, please. Baby, what? Why are women like this? Baby, can you just tell her how to put the things together, please?
I didn't ask you to go beg someone for me to learn how to cook from her.
Maureen, you're not getting the point.
Please, spare me that point of yours.
I am sick and tired of eating junk. I mean, you call this food? Hell no. Hell no.
You and I agreed on bringing in a chef. But what did you do? You changed your mind along the line.
Because the last chef who brought stole your jewelries and disappeared. The other female one, you accused her of having a secret affair with me and you drove out of the house.
Then let's get in another one.
No way. Maureen, no way. You must sit your ex down and learn how to cook. I mean, cook for your husband.
Look, my mother didn't even teach me how to go into the kitchen, let alone how to cook. I mean, we have servants all over the house. Do you want to start blaming me right now?
Maureen, no way. Go to your mother and tell her that the narrative has changed. Ken enjoys good meal in his house. The wife prepares good food and he eats. This is the junk. Eat the junk. Eat the junk. I give you money to cook and then you give me junk. You tell me you want to know about nonsense.
What is wrong with this now? Eh? Just look at, eh? Is this not a good food? Look at what I served you and you're still complaining. You're still complaining. No, I can't learn from that girl, please. No, I can't do that.
Early next morning, as they walked along the road, they saw the fig tree. It was dead all the way, and Jesus uprooted it. Jesus trying. I've not even seen this cry before. Peter remembered what had happened and said to Jesus, and he said, hey, and the Lord said that, hey,
Tina.
Oga Frank, greetings.
Hi. Tina, what are you doing here?
Oga Frank, you know, today is our resting day, so I decided to come to your house to help you do one or two things.
Things like what?
Things like cleaning your house, washing your clothes, cooking for you, and other things, you know. Oh, Oga Frank, I'm a good girl. I'm a Christian. And I always pay attention to my pastor whenever he's preaching in the church. And he always says that it is good to help one another so that God can bless you. And that is what I've come to do for you. To help you with my food chest so that God can bless me.
Tina, I don't need your help. If I wanted help, I know who to call.
Oga Frank. Oga Frank, do not lie. You know, fits you. You're too fine to lie.
Now listen to me. I do most of the chores in this house. Okay? I do virtually everything, so I don't need your help.
Like I said, do not lie. You know, fits you now. See flies everywhere. See dogs. See everywhere. Even this brown and I'll just clean everywhere for you. Oga Frank, see, I will help you clean everywhere. In fact, your kitchen. I'm sure your kitchen will be dirty. I'll go and wash those plates for you. I'm coming. Your house will sparkle to be whiter than snow. Watch me do it. Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry.
You know this person, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I believe you know what to do.
Yes, ma'am.
You may leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lady T, I run this town. This town doesn't run me. I will always represent gold, power, authority, and time. Any time.
There's no fit drink water, drop cup in peace, oh. I be waiting be the matter, boy. I be make we run, Jay. Everybody want to hug, everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why they shoot their shot. Hey, they want to hug, everybody want to come closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why they shoot their shot. I see them girls, no wonder them they show us. They want to be noticed, oh. See them girls, no wonder them they show. So there's no fit drink water, drop cup in peace, oh. I be waiting be the matter, boy. I be make we don't know.
This it might be dusty.
China, you're putting on your clothes.
Yes. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry I didn't seek your permission. I didn't want to stain my clothes while doing the house chores, so I decided to wear yours. Look, I'm going to wash them once I'm through.
That's okay. Have you had something to eat?
Don't worry about me. Your meal is on the dining table.
Thanks.
You're welcome. You're welcome, Oga Frank. Are you sure this place is not dusty?
No wonder them they show us. They want to be noticed, oh. See them girls, oh. No wonder them they show. So person no fit drink water, drop cup in peace, oh. I be waiting be the matter, boy. I be make you don't know. Jay, everybody want to hug, everybody want to come closer. No wanna be the loser. That's why they shoot their shot. Hey, they want to hug, everybody want to come closer. No wanna be the loser. That's why they shoot their shot. I see them girls, oh. No wonder them they show us. They want to be noticed, oh. See them girls, oh. No wonder them they show.
Baby, I'm coming. Hey, Oga.
Why did you knock?
Sorry, pardon my manners. Let me go outside and knock.
No, it's okay. What do you want?
Oga, I washed my underwear, so I came to collect it. It's in your bathroom.
Your underwear in my bathroom?
Yes, did you see it?
Just take it and go, please. Hey, wait. Tina, when next you come to my house, I have an extra room. And in that extra room, there's a bathroom there. Always use it.
Okay. After collecting my orders, is there anything you want?
Nothing.
Calm down. I can stay here.
Please, just take it and go. It's alright.
Okay, sir. Please, we help you. Okay. Are you sure you don't need me to do anything for you?
No, fine.
I don't want you to see my own face. But I will still come back to know if you need anything from me. Watch now. Watch me. The boxer no fits me.
It fits you. It fits you.
You fine now?
Very fine.
Look. This Oga boxer, now 1 in a million. Now designers. No, Sam.
I see him. How him boxer take size you?
I force her more. I force her make for tight me, make for give me shape. I call the two like this, they do like this. Let me make her wear her.
This is your big bum bum.
Hey, Oga to self get flesh for body.
I know.
See, I even do life for in house. As I call they do the life, Oga Koko peck me.
I'm lying. Are you serious?
Yes, now.
This is mad. See your waist.
Oga say make I twerk for her. I call they twerk.
Mad.
Twerk for Oga. Oga Koko tap me for yeah, she cut me like this. Soft.
Let me smarty.
Oga say.
See.
Oga say it's soft. He say it's soft.
Soft
Everywhere
girl.
soft girl.
You
understand?
Soft girl.
Like when Oga come dey turn like this.
What's going on here?
Welcome, sir.
Are you guys okay?
Yes, sir.
What do we have ready?
Soup,
sir.
Okay. Sophie,
Sir?
kindly call James. Tell him I need 10 kilograms of turkey.
Okay, sir.
Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Please, Jennifer, get my apron quickly.
No wonder them they show. So best no fit drink water. Drop cup in peace, I be waiting be the matter. Boy, I be make we run no. Jay, everybody want to hug. Everybody want to come more closer. No wanna be the loser. That's why when they shoot their shot, hey, they want to hug. Everybody want to come more closer. No wanna be the loser. That's why when they shoot their shot, I see them girls, no wonder them they show up. They want to be noticed, see them girls, no wonder them they show up.
Hello? Babe?
Hi, baby. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm actually on my way back home, and I'm coming with Michael and George. Yeah, so can you please make us food? We should be there in the next 15-20 minutes.
What? 15 minutes?
All right, darling. See you soon. This guy. Oh, go now. Good food, man. It's good food. I know, right?
Now.
Okay. Are you here?
Are you mad? Open the gate for me. Okay, come back. Tell me the food flask.
Okay.
Go and get food flask. Go.
What is food flask?
Why are you crazy?
It's a dangerous game they are playing. Dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous. They're playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you want too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kiddo. I take like Jaja, no the para for life. What is yours will still be your own. It's a dangerous game. Dangerous, baby. It's a dangerous game. The game is so dangerous. Dangerous, so dangerous. It's a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game.
The first pot of the special jollof rice is finished.
Finished?
Yes, because we had a lot of customers today. But good news is, the second pot is still on the fire.
Okay.
Depends on how long you can wait.
I can wait. I will wait gladly. I will wait.
That's fine. Just wait 4 or 5 minutes. Can you do that?
5 minutes. I will wait.
Okay.
I will wait.
Sure. Give me a second.
All right. 5 minutes.
Yes, fine.
All right. See those women. Those 2 women. Hey.
That left here?
Yes, now. See. They are crushing on Oga.
Ha! Tina! How you take no?
See, for my village, now once we tell they no ripe corn, once we just say like this, we don't know say don't ripe. I've been monitoring them. I've been watching and observing them. The way they talk to Oga, their moves like this. That's why they always come here, and every now and then they just come here to buy food. Not only Oga, they sell food. Nonsense. They're crushing on him. That's why they always here, so that they cannot be talking to him and be smiling. Rubbish women.
All those married women. What baffles me the most is, don't they cook at home or what?
I wonder. If you ask me, I go ask
Time now money, oh. Time now money. Hey, time now money, oh. Time now money. No waka waka. No gossip gossip.
Some people just think say they will make heaven. Like the body could just be busy them anyhow. You see one mumu girl just go Oga place. Go wear polo. Hey, as I reach the national level, now boxers I wear.
You want to know the pure difference? I slept over. Not just that too. Watch.
No, he never reach like this.
From behind, though.
He don't do when you.
From behind.
Wait, see, he bath me. Oga bath me. Oga kiss me, bath me. You don't know the way me and do. I like this.
I know. You don't just see things.
Oga go catch up the priest. Go beat the wait.
Do this. The campus girls, the bankers, the big ladies you see driving exotic cars hanging around here, they do all this. I just expect when I'm gonna just feel among and enjoy yourself, and you make good money. It's all about the money, all about the Benjamin. You know what Benjamin is?
You said to me somehow for mine, 500k just like that. We'll go see person, they'll just carry. Abba. I never touched that kind of money before. You believe
I'm in. Maybe we'll just try. A trial. Let's try now.
A flight. And not just that.
I reach Abuja, I believe. I
Now you go book the flight too.
Of course, I'm making every arrangement for it as I'm talking to you.
I go think I don't come out. Oga they come.
It is 500k each, remember?